Can one YouTube video change a life forever? Not just with views or subscribers, but by creating a strategy so brilliant that it generates $20 million? This wasn't luck. It wasn't just a clever upload. It was a meticulously designed plan to manipulate the system, sell a dream, and leave millions of viewers chasing an idea while the creator walked away with unimaginable wealth. Here's the twist. The same video that made them rich also raised one big question. Was this genius marketing, or just another way to sell a fantasy? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they pulled off one of the most controversial success stories in YouTube history. This wasn't just any ordinary upload. Here's what this single video accomplished. 9.5 million views, 184,000 new subscribers, $250,000 in YouTube AdSense revenue. But here's the kicker. While the video made $250,000 in ads, the real jackpot was the $20 million it quietly raked in through a calculated strategy. No magic tricks, just a series of clever moves that turned YouTube into their personal ATM. Let's break it down. They knew their original niche, SMMA, social media marketing agency, was too limited. So, they asked a simple but game-changing question. What does my ideal customer actually want? By creating a video titled, Best Online Business to Start as a Beginner, they opened the door to a much larger audience, people dreaming of starting an online business but unsure where to begin. They didn't just sell SMMA, they sold hope. This wasn't just a tutorial. It was an invitation, positioning SMMA as the ultimate accessible solution for anyone willing to try. And it worked. They dominated the beginner market and became the authority in the space. Their success wasn't just about content. It was about cracking YouTube's algorithm. Here's how. Click-through rate, CTR. They designed irresistible thumbnails and titles that YouTube couldn't ignore. Their videos kept viewers hooked longer, which made YouTube reward them by promoting their content more. But the clever part? They avoided external links in their videos, except for one strategic sales link. Why? Because external links break session watch time, which hurts YouTube's algorithm. By keeping viewers engaged and staying on the platform, they turned YouTube into an unknowing partner in their success. A well-edited video that feels like free training, but subtly leads to a sales funnel. The video didn't feel like an ad. It felt like free training packed with insights. Viewers believed they were gaining something valuable for free, while unknowingly being sold a product or course in the process. This approach built trust, enhanced their brand image, and quietly funneled millions of dollars in sales. All while viewers felt inspired and empowered. It's a masterclass in selling without selling. But here's where it gets controversial. While this strategy was genius, it also played on the hopes and dreams of millions of viewers. And the reality? Not everyone walked away a winner. Contrast between the creator's wealth and comments from viewers sharing their struggles. This strategy wasn't just about teaching people to succeed, it was about selling a narrative that made them millions while others chased an illusion. By packaging SMMA as the ultimate solution, they convinced millions to buy into their story. But how many of those viewers actually succeeded? The truth is, for most, this wasn't a golden ticket to wealth. It was a cleverly marketed dream. And the real winner? The creator, who cashed in on $20 million while the majority of viewers were left wondering why their results didn't match the promises. This story isn't just about one person's success. It's about the power of perception. It shows us 3 critical lessons. 1. Expanding your content can open doors to untapped markets. 2. Playing the algorithm ensures your content reaches millions. 3. And selling without selling is the ultimate way to win trust and sales. But here's the truth. Not everything that glitters is gold. This $20 million success story wasn't built on helping others succeed. It was built on crafting the perfect narrative that convinced people to hand over their money. So the next time you see a success story like this, ask yourself, who's really winning? Is it you, or is it the person selling the dream? Not all success stories are what they seem. Learn to see beyond the narrative